This is Tony Poulos in sunny Barcelona at Mobile World Congress. Today I'm with Lars Wahlstrom, who is the CEO of Telepo. Lars, welcome. Good to have you with me today. I'd really like to know a little bit more about what's happening with cloud computing. It's all the buzz at the moment at this event. How is cloud computing helping service providers get more enterprise business?
Well, the service providers have an enormous opportunity to go into the cloud and offer services from the cloud. And we see a lot of uptake today in operators, telcos, service providers of various kinds, offering business communication from the cloud, which we help enable them to do.
Where do you see the greatest interest in this particular area at the moment?
Well, it starts with the smaller enterprises. We see our service providers today get uptake from 3 employee companies to 2,000 employee companies. But over time, I think that will go upwards in scale as the larger enterprises accept to buy services this way. Today they want to integrate it in pieces in their back end, so to say.
Do you have any examples of how SPs can really achieve, growth in this area?
Yeah, we have our service providers that have had this kind of business before, often in mobile-centric areas it's called. They have increased their ARPU with 50% on the enterprise side with this service, but also they get about 5 times more revenue on the underlying services from broadband, they get the mobile connections, etc. You get a lot of stickiness with this service.
It sounds good, but why do you think so many operators are struggling offering cloud services in today's market?
Well, many of them are of course struggling because of their fragmented backends, but now, as you can see here, cloud is one of the major things happening right now. But then they can't spend 3 years building something from their complicated backend. So we have built this into one solution, one installation, one management, etc., that you just can plug in and get rolling in a few months.
And what is the Telepo solution, and why is it being taken up so readily?
It's been taken up so readily. It's internet-based, the modern software. They can go live in 3 to 4 months. Even a telco can do that. And it's a business communication from the cloud. You don't need to install anything on site. You have your phone, your business communication in your laptop, on your desk, on your mobile. It's all integrated. One system, one click to get installed.
So it sounds like an extension of the service provider's business.
Definitely is, yeah, and it's the modern internet age. You need to meet the expectations of the consumer behavior on the internet today, and that's what we're doing with this service. And it functions end to end, like we've seen iPhone taking over on the mobile smartphone market. It's the same kind of thinking. It works from A to Z. Very simple.
Lars Wahlstrom, thanks so much for being with us today and helping us get more of a grasp on those clouds.